Did you actually know Daphne? I mean, you know how big...
No.
You didn't know what a big...
But I knew I would have gone for 10 million, not 150,000.
150,000. So you were surprised by the reaction?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Din hija l-vuċi ta' wieħed mill-aħwa Degiorgio, persuna li jinsab akkużat bil-qtil tal-ġurnalista Daphne Caruana Galizia.
But do you feel sorry about anything?
Of course I feel sorry.
About what?
About her, yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
Right. She was just an ordinary woman, right?
That's it. Of course.
Yeah.
Just, I never met her in my life. I never even read about her or something.
Hija din ir-riproduzzjoni illi saret mit-Times tal-podcast blisem Who Killed Daphne, fejn il-ġurnalista Reuters Stephen Gray jitkellem direttament ma' Degiorgio, illi bla tlaqliq jgħid illi huwa determinat li miegħu iniżżel il-persuni oħra li kienu involuti fl-assassinju ta' Caruana Galizia.
They use us.
Right.
That's what they did. They use us.
But it was just for you. It was just business, was it?
For me, it just was business, yeah. Business as usual.
Degiorgio stqar li fl-2015 kien tħallas depositu minn persuni prominenti ferm fil-politika għal kuntratt separat biex tinqatel Caruana Galizia.
It was a previous attempt to offer to kill Daphne.
Yes, and I've got deposit as well.
You got the deposit?
Yes.
Wow.
Everybody knows.
Everybody
knows.
F'din il-podcast Degiorgio jitkellem dwar il-laqa li kellu ma' dan il-politiku fejn fost oħrajn qallu xi jrid jagħmel u kemm se jkun qed jitħallas li maħlas inizjali kellu jkun ta' 150,000 euro. L-istess ammont kien issemma għal pjan tal-2017 li eventwalment wassal għal karozza bomba li qatlet lil Daphne.
He told me what he wants to do.
Right.
How much and that, you know?
He wanted Daphne killed.
Of course. That's why he wanted me. That's what we discussed.
Yeah.
I said send the deposit and we start.
Mistoqsija kien xem aktar stejjer li qed iridu jiġu żvelati, Degiorgio wieġeb b'dan il-mod.
Of course there is, yes. There is plenty to come out.
Il-ġurnalista Reuters Stephen Gray saqsih jekk kienx lest illi jiexed u jikxef dak li jaf. B'Degiorgio jinsinwa li l-pulizija ma jridux jinterrogaw biex ma jikxifhomx li qed jipproteġu lil ċerti persuni involuti.
You've offered to give this evidence, right? In return.
Yes, we did. No, many times.
And has the police ever asked you about this information you have?
They don't want to hear us.
They don't want to know?
Yes. They don't want to hear about it.
Right.
Why? Because they have to accuse them.
You think they're trying to protect anybody?
Yeah, of course.
Iżda minkejja dan kollu Degiorgio huwa determinat illi jsemmi iktar persuni li jkunu involuti fl-assassinju tal-ġurnalista Daphne Caruana Galizia.
I'm going to speak to the magistrate, you know. You
Yeah.
believe this country, how corrupt it is?
Have you approached this magistrate already, or this is something
No, not yet.
you're going to do that?
But soon.
Before your trial, yes.
Of course.
Yeah.
We're not going down alone.
Maria Francalanza, Annet News.